Fear is the most powerful emotion. Turn your enemy's worst fear against them. You'll own them.
Why is Jack afraid of the open ocean?
Even monsters such as these have no choice but to dance to the tune he plays for them.
Well, if you believe such things, there's a beast. Imagine. The last thing you know on God's green earth is the roar of the Kraken.
She drifted into the harbor a little while ago.
Is it possible a man could do such a thing?
Teach was there on the island.
I will find you, Ed.
I'm talking about my new crew.
How should I know? The man's half insane.
Madness is such a hard thing to define, which makes it such an easy label to affix to one's enemies.
I've never seen Blackbeard like this.
Not good enough. I want you to handle this person.
That's not part of the game, is it?
It is your job to follow fucking orders.
You can still walk away.
I remember when I used to think that.
We're gonna sail, rob, raise hell forever.
And I will see this through by whatever means I have at my disposal.
I am committed to this end. But it is a long road, and I will need your help to see it through.
May I?
I don't believe you've been properly introduced. Lieutenant McGraw, my good friend.
There most certainly lies a dark moment between here and there.
Stede!
A moment of terror, where everything appears to be without hope. I know this.
Well, that's true, I suppose.
I need you to know that I did everything I could to keep her safe.
I think it'd be rather exciting to meet a pirate.
Look at her.
When I first learned she was on the island, I saw in my mind a 5-year-old child.
I will not abandon you. Keep a weather eye on our eyes.
I've heard all about you.
Pretty speech from a captor, but words whispered through prison bars lose their charm.
You're right. I need to get riled.
Your feelings for Stede fucking Bonnet.
Congratulations, you're now first mate.
What do you imagine happens next? If you are fortunate enough to capture Teach.
And you will guarantee Elizabeth's safety.
How do you suggest we do that?
What is it you want most?
This compass does not point north. It points to the thing you want most.
What mark did he leave on you?
We wrote our names on each other in permanent ink.
I expect great things from you.
Me?
Something's wrong. Feels like a storm's coming, but I can't see it.
He was either going to watch the world burn or die trying, so which was it?
You're gonna